Hello, this is Emily, coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the cold weather package. We do get a dual exhaust with this vehicle, your backup camera, roof spoiler with black and silver accents along the vehicle, which adds a nice pop to the coloring. We get blind spot detection. We do get remote start with this vehicle, which is pretty handy during those cold winter months, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can use on the key fob to open the button up there, or button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You got hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You get a little 12-volt here. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. And you do get your storage underneath with your spare tire. To close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpeted interior. You got adjustable rear seats with rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, liftgate and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 71,668 kilometers. We got this light, nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Right here we got a digital speedometer. We do get our lane keeping that you can turn on or off, pretty handy on those highway drives. But we do get my view, trip and fuel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, drive modes, auto stop and start, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets, and of course you can lift this up for your center console with more storage. We got dual climate up front, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, your hazards, media controls, storage below in your glove compartment, and look in here we have our audio, compass, and phone. For your audio you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls. Any apps you may download will show up right here, the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8105, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.